Indian Patent Acts 1970. As India is signatory to Paris Convention for protection of industrial property and Patent Cooperation Treaty. Therefore, anybody, any company or individual who files patent in its home country can also file patent in India within 12 months from date of the filing of the patent in its home country. Now, if the patent is granted, the term is 20 years. Patent is granted for invention. And what is invention according to Indian Patent Acts 1970? Novel, capable of industrial production, not frivolous. There should be new process or product with new innovative step to create it, and also capable of industrial production. There are some exclusions which cannot be granted patents. Invention which are frivolous and contrary to natural laws. For example, you have discovered one machine which is 100% efficient. This 100% efficiency is contrary to natural laws, it cannot be that. Against public morality. Mere discovery of something. Mere discovery of against public morality means you have made an invention which promotes theft, so therefore it will not be granted patent. Mere discovery of something, for example, you have discovered some theory so which already exists in nature. These theory already exist, but you have discovered some new theory, so it cannot be granted patent. Discovery of a form not leading to efficiency. Example, salts. You have discovered another form of salt. One salt is there and you have discovered another form of salt which is not efficient to the original one. So it will not be granted patent. admixing of mixtures leading to aggregation of properties. You have mixed two things and you have shown that it is new thing, but this new thing is just the aggregation of the properties of the two, and it is not a substantial efficiency gain, substantial gain in some property, so it will not be granted patent. Agricultural, horticultural methods, these will not be granted patents. Medical, prophylactic, curative method, for treatment of diseases. If something is available to treat disease by injection and you are recommending that instead of injecting it you take it orally, so you have changed the method, so mere this much does not amount to grant patent. More, simple mathematical, business, computer programs, these are not given patent. Aesthetic creation means writing something, you have made some aesthetic creation, so these will not be given patents. Presentation of information, that is you are presenting something, information on pie charts, graphs, bar diagrams, so this does not amount to patent. Traditional knowledge, no patent. Invention related to atomic energy, patent is not granted. There is a provision of compulsory licensing. What is this? That I have filed for a patent, I have received the patent. Now there is some emergency provisions in the country on which the common people cannot be charged higher amount. So therefore, I will give license to this manufacturer that he can manufacture my patented product and sell it at reduced prices. There are three conditions for which compulsory licensing is granted. Invention is not available to public at reasonable price. I have invented something and this invention is not available to public at reasonable price. Prices are exorbitantly high and the invention is not worked in the territory of India. Requirement of invention with respect to public is not satisfied. That is, I have invented something and the requirement of public is not satisfied. These are the three criteria on which the compulsory licensing can be granted, and it depends upon the assessor. If he is satisfied that these three conditions exist plus some other more checks, then he can give the compulsory licensing.